Today's Saturday, June 6th. This is the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado split-seat power mechanism for my friend Mr. Whitmore in North Carolina. This is video number 5 in a select series of videos to show the complete restoration, level 10 restoration of the vintage original Cadillac power seat mechanism. This unit has received a level 10 restoration whereby every component has been fully disassembled right down to the final screw. It includes complete disassembly of the track and rail mechanisms and a climatized surface coating applied to both track and rail systems. It includes the replacement of the slide guides and a 600 cycle linear actuation once the slide guides have been inserted in order to provide perfect linear accuracy with no skewing whatsoever. Okay? It also includes complete rebuilding, disassembly and rebuilding, and reassembly and lubrication of the power transmission system, as well as the motor being rewound and rebuilt. It includes changing of the internal electrical relay, as well as each of the individual riser towers, which are worm gear driven in their design, being fully disassembled, cleaned, the bearings replaced, and lubricated, repacked, and reassembled. In the previous videos, number 3 and 4, you'll see the riser towers as they were rebuilt. It also includes disassembly and rebuilding of the 2 linear actuating gearboxes, left and right. So I'm going to do a last and final video number 5 in this select series of videos showing the power seat mechanism. I'm going to go ahead and connect the unit to power and do a functional validation test. The unit is connected to the control module, and I'll do a linear movement forward, linear movement backwards, tilt forward. These are the forward riser towers going up, forward riser towers going down, rear riser towers going up, rear riser towers going down, and lift in unison, as well as going down in unison. Okay, so it's actually 8 degrees of freedom. General Motors refers to it as a 6-way actuating system or a 6-way power seat mechanism, but it's actually 8 degrees of freedom if you're an engineer. So this is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1976 Cadillac Eldorado, over 250,000 1959 to 1978 Cadillac items overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels with the wood grain inlay, the steering columns, and the power seat mechanisms, and several other critical components such as instrument clusters and power servos. So if there's anything else you require, feel free to reach out to me. This is George in Florida. Today is Saturday, June 6th. Thank you very kindly.